everyone, how are you doing? Happy weekend. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today's video is extra exciting because it is a collaboration video. So there's 4 of us ladies that collab to do a little box swap. So it's a TJ Maxx box swap. So each of us was randomly selected to another lady, and what we did is we had a $35 spending limit, and we went to TJ Maxx and we filled up a little box of beauty stuff. So I was selected by Lisa, who is Hot Southern Mess here on YouTube, and she sent me this humongous box. I don't know what's in it yet, and look, she labeled it Kitty's Beauty Box. How freaking cute is that? I had Christy from Georgia Sunshine, and then the other participant in this fun box swap is Boxes and Deals, otherwise known as Rena. So I thought this was such a fun idea, so thank you ladies so much for inviting me to be a part of this collaboration. If you guys are not already subscribed to these wonderful ladies, you will love their channels. They do similar content to me, but then they do a lot of other fun stuff that I don't do. So I'm gonna link all of their channels down in the description box. So anyways, let's get started and see what Lisa sent me. I'm so excited. And this is so big, Lisa, you overdid it. Oh, and I guess I should say, if you are new here and you came from one of the other ladies' channels, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Kitty, and I open up a lot of subscription boxes, mostly beauty boxes here on my channel. I'll do some other fun things sometimes too, like shop my stash. But anyways, I really appreciate you being here. Welcome, thank you, thank you. So I got this big box open. When I first open it, it looks like it's packed very securely. Get some bubble wrap off, and there is a card on top for me. Aw, it says, "You're the best." And it says, "Kitty, I feel so honored to be able to partner with you and the other amazing ladies for this TJ Maxx Beauty Box collaboration video. I do apologize for all the packing material, as I know you try to stay environmentally friendly. However, I wanted to ensure all the pieces arrived in top-notch condition. Perhaps you can repurpose some of the materials in a future giveaway video." Of course, great idea. Then she says, "Although it was a bit of a challenge, I wanted to make sure I only selected cruelty-free items, as I know how important that is to you. I hope my research didn't fail me. Have fun and enjoy. Best wishes, Lisa, aka Hot Southern Mess." That is so sweet and considerate. You took into account that I'm all about being environmentally friendly and cruelty-free. You are so sweet. Okay, how cute is the packing material? I will totally repurpose this. It has little paw prints on it. Gosh, I'm already impressed by the packaging. So cute. Oh my gosh. It looks like each item is individually packaged and there's little notes on them. Oh, you're so sweet. I feel like mine is such a fail. Lisa, you're so cute. Look at how cute this is. Oh my god, I feel like for Christy, I am failed at packing. I'm so bad at doing things cute, but anyways, let's focus on my box I got. So this is one. I suppose technically this is not a beauty item per se, but when I walked up to the mug display, I could not pass it up. I guess you could use it to store beauty brushes, but knowing how much you enjoy coffee and tea, I suspect you may use it for that instead. The cute kitty face made me think of you, and seeing your video background, I thought you would like the color combo, and perhaps the cute face will put a smile on Kitty's face. I'm a nerd, I know. Oops, I think this is a mug. I can't get over how cute all of this is. Okay, this is so adorable. It has a little kitty face on it. It says, your cat to be kitten me right meow." Oh my god, and it's pink, and it's a big mug. Oh my god, even on the inside it says meow. Do you guys see that? Hopefully my light's not in the way. This is perfect. Thank you so much, Lisa. I love it. I will definitely get so much use out of it. I'll definitely probably make a coffee later today using this. Thank you so much. Alright, next up it says, "I felt the colors in this ABH lipstick set were just stunning and would look amazing against your fair complexion. I hope the bold colors aren't too much for you, but I noticed in your Get Ready With Me's you don't mind experimenting with bold colors on your lips. Be sure to let us know which shade is your favorite." I am experimenting more with colors and different makeup looks. Thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is awesome. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a matte lipstick set, and it looks like there's 4 different lip shades in there. And on the back you could see the colors. It looks like it comes with Orchid, Cotton Candy, Stargazer, and Plumeria. Why don't we take them out and swatch them? Thank you so much, Lisa. Alright, so the first one I pulled out is Orchid. Ooh, this is super pretty. I don't think I have a shade like this. I cannot wait to wear this. That is so pretty. The next one is Plumeria. That reminds me of Bath and Body Works. So that is the shade. I'll swatch it so you can see it a little bit better. So this is just like a little bit deeper than the Orchid shade. Super pretty. And then there is Stargazer. Ooh, this is more like a hot pink. Nice. Oh my god, it's like Barbie pink. I love it. Awesome. And the last one in here is Cotton Candy. Another really pretty pink shade. Oh my god, look at all these colors together. They're so pretty. I love them and can't wait to use them. You'll be seeing me wearing these in upcoming videos. Thank you so much, Lisa. I don't think I've ever tried the ABH bullet lipstick formula before either, so that's super exciting. Okay, so the third thing says, I couldn't curate a beauty box without including a beauty tool. I know most of us have tweezers in our beauty arsenal, but I recall in a video recently when you asked for some tweezer recommendations. Given the set of 4 provides just about every option available, I hope you would find the perfect pair for you. Personally, I like the pointed tweezer. They are great for zoning in on light and fine hairs. Happy tweezing. You are so thoughtful. I can't get over how good this is. Oh, and these are perfect. I actually don't have any tweezers right now, so I'll definitely try the pointy ones you like first. Look there, so there's a set of 4, and this is by Brushworks. So there's a slanted tweezer, a slanted point tweezer, straight tweezer, and another pointed tweezer. This is awesome, and they're in such cute colors. Thank you so much, Lisa. I still can't get over how cute you packaged everything. And these little notes and like having them in order. You are just the cutest. So number 4, it says, okay, are these scented rose petals not the cutest thing ever? I must be honest, it took me a couple seconds of reading the back to even know what they were. Once I figured it out, I immediately thought these were perfect fit for you. I love the scent and the beautiful blush color. I hope you will too. I remember how much you love taking luxurious baths, so have a soak on me and relax. You are the cutest. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, and look, it even says from Kitty and Lisa on here. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. So you just drop some of these scented soap petals into the warm bath. I've heard of these before. They smell good too. This is so cute. Thank you so much. I'll definitely get some use out of these. Alright, and now we have last item, number 5, and it says, when I saw this highlight palette, I had to grab it, more for the look of it than anything. What a gorgeous palette, right? I thought the mixture of shades was stunning. I can't wait to see you test it out and get ready with me, hint hint. Have fun with it, girl, you deserve it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I will totally do a get ready with me soon using these products. So exciting. This is so cool. I've never seen this before. This is by Makeup Revolution. This is Brighter Than My Future. There's 8 different shades in here. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my ring light is so reflective, but I'll try and like show them. Like, look how cool and unique some of these shades are. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try them. Like Shook and Snatched and Yaz. Oh my god, these are all so unique and cool. Oh, I love how one of the shades names is Bougie. I love saying Bougie. This is Bougie. Oh my god, thank you, Lisa, so much. This was like the best box. You overdid it. It was like so amazing. Everything was so thoughtful, and I can tell you put a lot of effort into this, and I really appreciate it. It's such a gloomy day here in Florida, but you seriously brighten my day so much. Not to be a huge cheese ball, but I seriously love everything. You are the sweetest. I'm so glad I got to know you through YouTube along with other ladies. Thank you guys all so much for doing this collaboration. This was so much fun. I can't wait to play with my new goodies. And like Lisa said, I will totally do a get ready with me. So let's just do a little quick recap of what came inside. Okay, first item is this adorable mug. I like love this so much. And then we got the 4 lipstick shades that are all so beautiful, and I love these pinks. I'm like such a girly girl. I can't wait to wear these pinks on my lips. They're so cute. We got the tweezers, which I think is so thoughtful that you heard me mention that and you got them. You're so sweet. The bath petals that are beautiful and smell good, and then this palette. This looks so cool. I've never seen this ever anywhere. This is awesome. So yeah, I'm trying to think what my favorite thing is. I love it all so much. So thank you again. You are a sweetheart. Go and check out all the ladies' channels down below, and you can see their videos opening up the other boxes. So you can check out Christy or Georgia Sunshine to see what I got her, and then also, of course, check out Lisa and Reno's channel, all linked down below, so you can see what everyone received, and also check out their other videos because all these women are amazing, and I love them so much, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you are having an amazing weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!